another video. You can see I have a box in front of me. You can see I have a product for you guys. This is Philips Handheld Steamer 300 series. So you can hold at your hand. You can iron your clothes very easily without putting them any table or anywhere. And especially this one for hat, for any kinds of clothes, but especially for blazer, jacket, overcoat or capote, this sort of thing. Here's some information. 1000 watt. It has up to 20 grams. Kilos 99. Some other information is written. It comes from Philips, Netherlands, if I'm not wrong. See the pack here and there. 2 years of guarantee in this product. Is from Philips, Netherlands. Lovely. We have some manuals, many things, catalogs to read if you have time. More stuff. Here we go, some guarantee and other stuff. And here is cable. I think it's a long cable. And the product. I think nothing else. It should be inside the box. So I'm taking this off. Let's see how I can do that. Okay, here is the product, but I have one more stuff to show you guys. Here we go. This is also part of the product. Here you can put water for stream. You can open here, if I'm not wrong, to fill it with water. Looks good and very high quality, no doubt. And here is the machine, you guys. Let's see the cable. Looks a big cable to me, long one. Could be 3 to 5 meters if I'm not wrong. The plug, this is European plug. I'm in Spain, you know, guys. Okay, let's take this out from the pack. Lovely machine, beautiful. I think here you have some, you can move as the way you want. The quality, I feel a quality product. Here is right in Philips. Back side you can see, you have to put this one. Here you have one button. Something here at the bottom is written information in Dutch. Okay, lovely. And some other information is written. Here you have a button to spray. You see all the holes to spray at your clothes, steam your clothes. Here I think you have on and off button. I think this one. So 0 should be off and 1 or I is on. Whatever. Lovely. So this one you have to put here. Will go directly. Wow. Very beautiful handy machine. You can fold this one. Whatever way you want. You can fold more and you can take whatever you want. I think when you connect with that, you will see some light. So lovely, this is unboxing part of Philips steamer. In my next video, I'm gonna show you how you can use this one. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.